All right, we're back at IMTS. We're going to go back out on the show floor and see what's going on with some of our partners in software, hardware, and tooling. All right, I'm here with Tom Raun from ISCAR. Tom, how's the show going for you?
Phenomenal. A lot of people in the booth, and we've got to share a lot of the new technologies that were recently introduced, and so it's been great.
So I see a lot of new stuff around here. Tell me a little bit about what you guys are showing off.
Within the last 6 months, we've had a new campaign, which we call our Logic campaign. With that campaign, the new Logic campaign, there's roughly 20 new milling items that have been introduced. Along with that campaign, we launched the Industry 4.0, which is ways for manufacturing technologies to collaborate basically through data. And with cutting tools, we're right at the forefront of that. Our two companies are going to be driving the Industry 4.0 initiative by sharing information and making it more effective for your programmers, Mastercam programmers, to bring in that data and effectively program cutting tools very, very fast and very easy.
All right, Tom, thanks very much.
Ben, thanks for stopping by the ISCAR booth at IMTS 2018, and we look forward to the future.
All right, take care. Rob, how you doing?
Great, thanks. How are you doing?
Great. So tell me a little bit about what you're doing at the show here.
For sure. So we're showing off our offline programming and simulation software for robots. One demonstration that's showing a FANUC collaborative robot, all programmed inside of Octopuz. So it is signing frisbees and then handing out frisbees to attendees of the show. And we also have a KUKA robot here with a partner, Robotic Solutions, that is actually milling out a 3D octopus. This was all programmed inside of Mastercam as well.
All right, great. Well, we'll let you get back to it.
Great.
Have a great rest of your show.
Thank you very much.
We're here in the Okuma booth. We're partners with Okuma in their Partners in Think program down in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'm here with Lee Johnston, who's also out of the Carolina office, right?
That is correct.
I wanted to take a minute and talk about this part you have here. This is a cylinder-headed engine block for Don Schumacher, and this is a project you worked on, right?
Yeah, this is correct. So they were already doing the cylinder heads in-house. They developed those already, but then they wanted to start doing the engine block in-house. So they asked Okuma to come in and help them get that up and running.
So what kind of toolpath did you use to cut these two parts, and on what machine?
So this was made on an Okuma MA600 horizontal machine. Pretty much all of the toolpaths, everything from dynamic OptiRough to 2D dynamic, drilling, tapping, boring, the new equal scallop toolpath from 2019, which works really well, the old scallop, hybrid toolpath, extensive use of stock models to optimize the roughing.
It's pretty much the full menu.
Yep, pretty much.
Beautiful work. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Take care. We're here with Shop Floor Automations with Amanda. First of all, I love the glasses.
Thank you very much.
So tell us a little bit of what you guys do. I know that we have a lot of our customers who use your stuff in conjunction with Mastercam. Tell us a little bit about what you provide to our customers.
So we always say to use DNC software. That's going to help run the correct revision. It's also going to help with CNC networking and just organize all those programs.
All right, great. Well, have a good rest of your show, and we'll talk to you soon.